Alright, step one is to remove the soft hull and the hard shell and save the seed. We also save the soft hull and the hard shell. Now, some of these you open up, they're supposed to crack on the tree. This one did not crack. It's not cracked. You can't open it, okay? So what we do is we take that one, we put it off to the side. I'll show you later on how to crack those. Now we remove the soft hull. We save it. Okay, now this one did crack on the tree. It's ripe. It's easily separated. We save the hard shell and then we save the seed. Okay, and we just repeat this process until we get enough that we are ready to plant. This is going to be a real quick. All right, repeat the process until we get enough seeds. Repeat. I'll show you later. I find that many of the pistachios that I buy don't crack on the tree, and I have to crack them. So I use a pliers or a vise to gently pressure them, and they pop open, and then I take the seeds out and use them. Next step is, first of all, we have to have good soil, great soil. And then I use a pencil or a stick. I make a 1-inch deep hole, okay, where I will insert the pistachio kernel, the narrow part of the kernel down. That's important. I have my greatest success when the narrow part of the kernel is inserted down. Narrow down. Squirrels and rodents love the nuts just as much as you do. Add a cage, otherwise they will be in there. And now we wait. We should have some results within about 7 days. Okay, so this is the result of our planting. This is one of the plants. This is about 7 months. I planted that seed in November, and now this is a look at it in July. Very healthy. And I planted some other seeds at the same time. Well, I planted some of those other seeds in a different container, and you can see how well they've all grown.